I'm Crystal from Motorcycle Missions.
I'm Paul Yaffe from Paul Yaffe Originals.
And we are here for Motorcycle Missions Build 15, and this is our build crew.
Woo! This used to be our showroom, what we call our service area. This is obviously our machine shop.
Paul, what does that mean to do a performance bagger?
So we'll increase its suspension capabilities, we'll increase its horsepower. We'll change the seating position, we'll change the handling of it. And we'll make it do things that a bagger shouldn't be able to do. Fire breathing, snorting, gnarly, traffic assaulting motherfucker is what we'll do, so it'll be good.
Working with Paul Yaffe, I mean, he's like a legend in industry. Overall exciting experience, and I'm just glad to be a part of it.